Now we will create tiling in two ways, in 2D on the layout and also in 3D by activating the floor plan. We select the wall on which we want to create the tiling. In this case, we get the layout of the wall, which we place on the floor plan. First, we specify the area we want to cover. Now we have to choose the color of the grout. The floor space has been completed. Place the tiles on it. We select the tile first. I specify the height and width with 80 by 80 cm. The grout is taken at 1 mm. Now we will be working in 3D. But first we create a new tiling style. First select the type of the cover. From the built-in patterns, I choose the ribbon pattern. I will set up the materials. I adjust the thickness of the grout and the size of the tile, which will be 30 by 10 cm. I set up a random rotation of the tiles. We need to specify the height. We are ready with the first line. The next line will be a gold strip. From the rectangular patterns, we look for the gold in the library. The height of the cover will be 1 cm. In the next row, we cover with the same green tile, but not in a herringbone, but simply by placing the card next to each other. The height of the cover should be 20 cm. We insert other two rows. This created the tiling pattern. It is recommended to save our work as a tiling style. We switch to 3D view. We will apply the created tiling style to multiply walls. In the next step, the back of the shower wall is tiled. In the pop-up mosaic tiling dialog box, you can select the different tiles that make up our mosaic pattern. A maximum of 4 and a minimum of 2 tiles can be used as a mosaic pattern. Here we select 4 tiles for the mosaic: green, dark green, light green and gold. We adjust the size. For the other 3 tiles, you can specify how many times the tiles will be used, so you can use tiles of different sizes and proportions in the mosaic. The floor is covered by marble. Place the tiles on the floor, specifying the starting point and direction of the tiling. The slab under the tub is also covered by repeating the previous steps. We start with the side of the slab. Here, when specifying the starting point of the tiling, make sure that the joints run with the previous tiling. We even cover the top of the slab. Here we also fit the joint. We are done with the tiling. Now we are going to create a wall view. Activate the floor plan. Choose documentation, then select single wall view, click on the wall. Pull out the arrow to define how deep your wall view should be. The wall view is dimensioned and scalable. Now create an Excel list of the tiles. In the list we get what kind of tiles we placed in the project, what is the size of the tiles, how many square meters are needed from the different styles. Now let's look at the photorealistic image. For more information and videos, visit our website ARCHLine.XP.com. Download ARCHLine.XP now.